it's Adam from SatNav Systems, and today we want to show you the operation of the original Audi Swivelling Towbar that we have installed in this brand new Q5. So let's just see the operation. So if I open the boot, I can get access to the newly installed switch that is located here. And what happens if I press this switch here, it releases the towbar just here. Then we just grab it, lock it in the position, and it's ready to go. To fold the towbar, you go back here again, press the switch, and it releases the towbar, and then you just push it there, and that's it, it's done. So that's how it works. All original parts, 3 years warranty. Please contact us, info@satnavsystems.com for more information. Thank you.